Hey guys, it's me Tata, and today I will show you how to lighten hair at home. This method is really work. I use it from school. Subscribe my channel and let's go. We will need 4 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of perhydrol, 1 teaspoon of male shaving cream and 1 teaspoon of ammonia alcohol. And we must mix it together. We must interfere with it until such a foam appears. Leave on face for 20 minutes. And leave it on the body for 30 minutes. Then rinse well with water.